So I'm just going to build the columns now. So I've already pre-folded these. Let's take our glue, put some on a tab. I should have folded these tabs in as well. You can do that after. And in this case, we can just fold it flat. Just push it alongside like this. And we'll do the other one. Okay. Fold this down. Put some glue on it. Just fold that in half and press down. These are the columns that are going to go on our porch and just act like they're going to be supporting our balcony. And just push these down and put some glue on the top here and put one of our pieces over here on top. Hold that for a moment to glue it into place. You probably have noticed by now that almost everything that we do with the extruder extension puts together pretty much the same way. Side pieces and a top and a bottom. So the first column's done. We could have done that as something other than a square, but for purposes of the tutorial, square is fine. Might want to have something a little more round, in which case rather than extruding a square, you could extrude, say, a hexagon. If you extruded like an octagon or a 12-sided figure, you could get something that looked a little bit more round. Just depends on the look you're going for. Those are the kind of things you can easily change. They're just little changes. Hands are covering up everything here, but all I'm doing is putting the top on. So now we've got this piece and this piece, our columns. So if I bring the house over, keep in mind nothing is glued together here, so it's a little hard to hold everything into place, but these are basically going to fit under our balcony like so and like so. And it's just going to give it a little bit more of a finished look. You don't usually see these balconies hanging over without any support. So that's where we're going with that. So leave those with the rest of the house. We'll set that aside. So that's the columns.